Everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm gonna do a review on this Handle It. So I've got this big bag of birdseed peanut pieces. I'm gonna cut it open, but sometimes it can be a mess. So I'm gonna put this on the bag and see if it's any better. Okay, so let's just go over some quick dimensions. Looks like it'll take a bag almost 14 inches. It's got a nice big spout. And it's got these little levers here. You're gonna open this one and this one simultaneously. So we're gonna cut our bag, put it in here, snap it, and see if it works. Okay, so I cut the whole top open. I guess I could have just cut right there open. But let's go ahead and put it on. Sometimes just getting this part open can be the trickiest. So make sure the funnel goes in and wraps around. And then you're gonna snap it. I'm just gonna make sure that the bag sticks up a little bit. Wow, okay. That was pretty simple. Okay, so now let's see how it pours. Let's open it up. I could see where that might be a problem, so I'm gonna take it off. Yeah. Well, you gotta get it around the funnel better. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this. There is a lot more room, it looks like. I'm gonna pull it up a lot more around the funnel. Wrap it up, click it. It's clicked. Okay, so I did pull it up more in this funnel area. Let's see how it does. Okay, it seems to be holding much better now. That's all it needed. It just needed pulled up around that big funnel into this area more to kind of get more of a grip. And I did kind of have it come up here a little bit. So this is a pretty nice deal. I could use this on grass seed, you know, something that might pour out a little bit easier. Put this on. So yeah, pretty nice product. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.